All right, on today's video, a little change of pace. I am moving from the front end, do something a little more interesting for me because I'm getting a little sick of working on the front A-arms. But I started doing a little bit of body work and playing around with the rear end, getting things together. I took out the windows, started to dig in and kind of see what kind of repairs or rust damage we have in the vehicle. Floorboard's a little messed up back here. I had already repaired over there. But when I started removing the headliners, I found this big old hole, which made me start digging around out here. And I found quite the stack of Bondo. So I started digging in here, did some drilling just to see how thick this stuff was. It's really thick. I could see a really bad patch job. So today I'm just going to go through a little time lapse and take you through repairing this guy. So enjoy. it's not perfect. It's not even close, but I learned something new. I've never done this before, and it's a hell of a lot better than a 1/2 inch of Bondo on there. So I'll run that. I don't mind. The body's a little tweaked back here, but yeah, it's a Baja Bug. So I'll throw a little Bondo on that, but nothing crazy. All right, well, that's it. Catch you later.